Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Direct Express account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Direct Express account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Direct Express login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Scroll all the way down and tap on Proceed to Login. It will take you to the login page of Direct Express. Enter your user ID and password associated with your Direct Express account and then tap on Sign In. Tap on I'm not a robot box before you click on Sign In. If you want your account to be remembered next time you log in, click on Remember Me. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot your username or password. This is how you can log into your Direct Express account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.